Hello, my name is Jackie and I work for Swell Libraries. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy bookmarks. These would be ideal to use in this year's Wild World Heroes Summer Reading Challenge, run by Kent Libraries, which starts on Saturday the 10th of July. It's free to join and all you need to do is to go into your local library and register, and you'll be given a starter pack. You'll need to read 6 books by the 11th of September, and each 2-book read stage you'll receive a reward and stickers. When you have completed the challenge, you will be given a medal and a certificate. You can also participate online. Just go onto the library website for more information. But as I say, today I'm going to show you how to make these bee and flower bookmarks. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make the bee. There you go. And that's all you need to do. And you can experiment using tissue paper, cardboard and lots of different colours too. Hope you enjoy making it. Bye bye.